What if one day the leader of the wolves decided that every wolf should become rich? And he said, let's give more money to everyone. Sounds like a good idea, right? But what if I told you this makes everyone poorer? In the beginning, wolves lived a simple life. They hunted for food. But one day, some wolves became weak. They could not hunt properly. So the leader decided to give them more money. At first, it worked. The wolves felt rich. They started buying more food. But the amount of food did not change. So what happened? Prices went up. More money, higher prices need more money. Wolves had more money than ever, but they could not afford anything. This is not just a story. This is happening in real life. So, what kind of wolf are you? The one who waits or the one who understands the game? Like this video, subscribe and become a smart wolf.